Hello children, you are going to learn today integers. Okay? What are integers? Before going to the lesson, let us come to know, let us familiarize the concept what is plus and minus or positive and negative. Okay, we know these days are very particular, or these days it is common to use these words positive and negative because of coronavirus. Because we will tell, actually we used to tell, or we are taking, or we are considering plus or positive as the good things and negatives are the bad things. Okay, we will tell positive thoughts, positive behavior or like that. Okay, positive thinking, and but negative is not considering as a good one. But according to coronavirus, it is just opposite of the our concept, because if it is positive, it is negative for us, because COVID-19 result positive ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ that we have the disease nana. Appa adu positive aanu namukku negative aayitana feel cheya. So how we are considering positive and negative? Okay, always test nu parnittingilla adu endava test cheyyunnathu adinte positive aano ennaanu nokka. Appo adondana adu ee covid test angane parayunnathu. Anyway, we are considering positive as the good thing, or negatives are the bad thing, and optimist and pessimist. Really in mathematics, positive is just opposite to the negative. Only that is the thing. We are not taking it as good thing or bad thing. So there will be a standard level, and the one side is positive, the other side will be negative. If we are going upwards, there is a ground level. We are going upwards, upstairs, we will consider as positive steps, and if we are moving downwards, that will consider as negative steps. Okay, and if we are moving to we are considering the ground level. If we are moving to the high altitude, we are considering positive. If we are going down deep sea, we are considering negative. Okay, if we are going left and right positive, then left negative. If left is positive, then right is negative. That means in the opposite. Okay, then there will be a standard bit. In the number line there is 0, and one side is positive number and the other side is negative numbers. So natural, we are considering the natural numbers here. What are the different kinds of numbers? Natural number is the first thing. Natural numbers. What are natural numbers? What are natural numbers? As usually we used to say numbers from 1, 2, 3, etc. from 1 onwards. So these are known as natural numbers. And the next is whole numbers. If 0 is included in natural numbers, such numbers are called whole numbers. Okay. Then next one is integers, and negative numbers also included in this. Then these are known as integers. What is special about all these numbers? This number is starting from 1, and these numbers are starting from 0, but there is no starting point or end point for these numbers, integers. It is endless in both sides, but it is endless in one side only, both the natural numbers and whole numbers. Idinokka a starting point. So these are the 3 types of numbers, and this how is simple also. In your book you can see this is the symbol for natural numbers, and 0, you know, this is the symbol for 0, and this is the whole numbers and this is the negative numbers. So, whole number plus negative number is known as integers. Okay, these are known as, this is the symbol for integers. Then these together, all these numbers together, there is a symbol that is in your textbook, that image is in your textbook. Now, how will you represent the numbers on number line? 0 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. You are asked to point plus 7. Where will be this? This is plus 7. You are asked to show or mark 2 on the number line. This is 2 on the number line. You are asked to mark minus 1 on number line. This is minus 1. And you are asked to mark minus 4. And this is minus 4. Okay. This is the representation how shows in the number line. And next is ordering of numbers. Okay. Always we know the numbers are in the increasing order here onwards. So from here also it is in increasing order. That means minus 5 is the, in here I have written up to 5, minus 5 only. Here the numbers are going like this. And minus 5, then you will count minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, then 0. That means minus 5 is the smallest one, then minus 4, then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. After 0, all the positive numbers are greater than 0. First one is 1, then after that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. etc. So that means when you have a number 5, 6, 3, which is the smallest number? 3 is the smallest number. Then 5, then 6. So we will write in the increasing order like this: 3, 5, 6. Okay. But if it is, these numbers have minus 5, minus 6, minus 3. Which is the smallest one? Minus 6 is the smallest one. So we will write minus 6 because it is coming the left side of minus 5. Minus 5 will be left side. Minus 6, minus 1, minus 3. Okay. That means if a number has negative symbol, the higher the number, the smaller the value. Number value, but value will be smaller. Okay. If there is minus 8, minus 8 is less than minus 6. So we will write like this. When you are having minus 3 and minus 5, which is smaller, which is greater. Minus 3 is greater than minus 5. This is greater number, this is smaller number. Okay. There are 0, 8, minus 6. Which is the smallest one? Minus number, negative number. Minus 6 is the smallest one. Then 0. Then 8. That means this is the order: minus 6, 0, 8. Okay, is it clear? So when you have a negative sign for a number, if the number is greater but the negative sign is there, that will be the lesser value. That will have the lesser value. Okay. Now next is addition of integers. Addition of integers. Okay, if you are going down 4 steps from the ground level, 1, 2, 3, 4, you have reached here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Then going down means negative. Going down means negative and going up means positive. Again you have gone down 3 more steps. 5, 6, 7. Then where do you reach? 7. First you have reached here. Then again minus numbers are there because you are going down. You have reached 7. That means minus 4 plus minus 3 is minus 4 poi, pinne minus 3 poi. That means minus 4 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 7. If you are moving upwards from here, and you are going 2 steps upwards, minus 7 is 2 steps upwards means plus, then 7 plus 2, minus 7 plus 2. But at this steps 1, 2. But we have reached here. This is minus now. Minus 5 steps. Steps minus mean. So minus 7 plus 2 is not 9, it is minus 5. That means when you are adding 2 different signs of numbers, you have to find the difference between these 2 numbers and put the sign of the bigger number. Okay, put the sign of the bigger number. Minus 7 bigger nalla. This sign is the bigger number. That sign. Okay, can we do one more thing? One more sum like this. Minus 8 plus 6. Okay, minus 8 plus 6. Find the difference between these 2 numbers and put the sign of the bigger number. Minus 2. 8 minus 6 2 and minus 2. And again one more example. 10 plus minus 1. It is 10 upstairs and 4 താഴേക്ക് പോകും. പിന്നെ അവിടെ 4 എടുക്കുന്ന 4 താഴേക്ക് പോകും. അപ്പോൾ you are still in the upstairs. ഗ്രൗണ്ട് ലെവലിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ തന്നെയാണ്. എത്ര സ്റ്റെപ്സ് മുകളിലാണ്? 10 പോയി 4 മടങ്ങി വന്നാൽ you will get 6. 6 upstairs ഉണ്ട്. That means positive because ഇവിടെ higher number sign എന്താണ്? പ്ലസ് ആണ്. So 10 4 minus ഇത് നോക്കാം. എന്നിട്ട് put the highest number sign. ഇവിടെ same sign add ചെയ്താൽ you will get just add and put the same sign. Okay. നമ്മൾ സാധാരണ 4 plus 3 എത്രയാണ്? 7 അല്ലേ? Like that minus 4 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Minus 2 plus minus 6 is minus 8. Okay. Clear? When you are adding 2 numbers with the same sign, you just add and put the same sign here. When you are adding with different signs, you just find the difference and put the number, put the sign of the greater number. That means the biggest, bigger number which shows by the value. Value allada a number edana varuthu nokittu. And what is additive inverse? Addition of numbers on number line നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചതാണ്. If it is 3 എന്ന് 1 2 3 4 5 5 add ചെയ്താൽ 3 കിട്ടും. This is 3 ആണെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കും. 2 ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ 1 ഉണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ 0 ഉണ്ട്. 3 എന്ന് 1 2 3 4 5 add ചെയ്താൽ you reached 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Like that. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1. Okay? Minus 1 into kuda left like minus 2 add cheyanam. Minus 1 into kuda 2 add engote left like. That minus 1 plus minus 2. Appo etra minus 3. Minus 1 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 3. If you are going right like minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1 into 3 steps of forward. 3 steps forward. This is minus 1. 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. Okay. Minus 1 and 3 steps forward. Forward means plus. For 3 in 1 minus here, you will get 2. This is the way how we are adding on the number line. Now, what is additive inverse? When you are adding 3 and minus 3, you will get 0. Minus 3 is the additive inverse of 3. 6 is the additive inverse of minus 6. Minus 6 is the additive inverse 6. That means when you are adding a number and its additive inverse, you will get 0 as the answer. And now subtract. Okay? Subtraction on the number line. When you are subtracting 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 4 is 2 minus 0, minus 2 sorry, 4 minus 2. So, 1, 2. Where do we reach? 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay? Now, if you are subtracting like this, you will get this is the normal subtraction. Then minus 2 that we can learn not like this. Number learning easy. I will explain how to subtract two numbers. Okay. Suppose you want to subtract 10 minus a negative number. 10 is a negative number minus. But 10 minus negative 4. Minus means counting backwards. But negative counted. That means it will increase. That's two backward operation. One minus one negative. Negative 4 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ negative 4 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ അത് forward ആണ്. That means നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ theoretically എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് നോക്കാം. 10 plus minus 4 പകരം you will consider it 14 will be the answer. 10 plus 4. How will you do this? എങ്ങനെയാണ് ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കാം. Subtraction വരുമ്പോൾ you just add. എന്തിനാണ് ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഈ നമ്പറിന്റെ additive inverse. Minus 4's additive inverse is plus 4. Minus 7 minus 2 ആണെങ്കിൽ എന്താ വരിക? 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇതിനേക്കാളും കൂടുതൽ ആണ്. Minus 10 minus 4 ആണ്. ഇവിടെ minus 10 എന്നാണ് മൈനസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ഇതൊക്കെ നമ്പർ ലൈൻ വരുമ്പോൾ മൊത്തം കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആണ്. Minus 10 minus 4. അപ്പോൾ what you want to do is minus 10 minus എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എന്താണ്? രണ്ട് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് സൈൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? യു ഹാവ് ടു റൈറ്റ് ആഡ് എന്നിട്ട് ഇതിൻ്റെ additive inverse എടുക്കുക. This is minus 4. Then plus 4 is the additive inverse. Now look, ഇത് സെയിം സൈൻ അല്ല. സെയിം സൈൻ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. minus 10 plus 4. minus 10 plus 4. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ എന്താ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? ഡിഫറൻസ് സൈനാണ്. സോ ഫൈൻഡ് ദ ഡിഫറൻസ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ. ഡിഫറൻസ് സൈൻ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞു നോക്കുക, ഡിഫറൻസ് കാണാം. ഡിഫറൻസ് 6 എന്ന് വലിയ നമ്പർ, ദ ബിഗർ നമ്പർ 10 ആണ്. 10ൻ്റെ സൈൻ ഇടാം. Okay, this is the method. By practicing more examples, you will comfort with this. Okay, ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കുറേ എക്സാമ്പിൾ, കുറേ സംസ് ചെയ്താൽ you will be practiced thoroughly. You will be familiar with these sums. Okay, so this is all for this lesson, and this lesson only what are whole number, integers, and natural numbers, and how to show integers on number line, and what are the ordering of integers, and addition and subtraction of integers. It is the only the preliminary steps of addition and subtraction. More sums will be in the following classes. Okay children, thank you.